Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Amia. In this episode, we're going to have a brief overview of AWS and its services. In 2002, Amazon released a beta version of the developer tool with SOAP and XML interface for Amazon Product Catalog, and allowed developers to earn money through Amazon Associates program. It was initially called Amazon.com Web Service. In 2003, during an executive meeting at Jeff Bezos' place, senior VPs were asked to identify Amazon's core strengths. It was clear that Amazon's IT infrastructure gave them a competitive advantage. In 2004, a great idea was born. By offering a combination of infrastructure including computing power, storage, and database to developers, enable developers to manage them and build applications through a user-friendly web interface and standardized resources. This gives developers the power to access the internet like a pseudo-operating system. In 2006, Amazon officially began to offer its global IT infrastructure as a service to businesses. They started to focus on developers and startups in Silicon Valley by offering user-friendly developer tools and resources for competitive prices. Very soon thousands of startups joined on board, many of which have become billion-dollar companies later on. Today, AWS offers over 170 services to hundreds of thousands of businesses, over 190 countries on all continents. AWS released Simple Queue Service, SQS, in 2004, Simple Storage Service, S3, and Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, in 2006. In 2008, they released Elastic Block Store, EBS, and CloudFront. In 2009, AWS released Elastic Load Balancing, Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, CloudWatch, and Elastic MapReduce for big data analytics. In 2010, they released Identity Access Management (IAM), Route 53 for DNS service, and Simple Notification Service (SNS). The list goes on. These services are the core AWS services today. The total number of AWS services is growing every year. Up to 2020, there are 175 fully featured AWS services. Here is a brief overview of the AWS platform. On top of AWS Global Infrastructure, we have these core AWS categories: compute, storage, database, security, identity and compliance, application integration, networking and content delivery, management and governance. Within which there are a few AWS services. For instance, for compute services there are EC2, Lambda; for storage there are S3, EBS; for database there are RDS, DynamoDB. In addition, there are services for IoT devices, machine learning applications, blockchain, robotics, and satellite services. There are over 170 AWS services today. AWS continues to add new services every year. The list is still expanding. Many companies use these AWS services to build cutting-edge technology and applications. You may be wondering where to get started with AWS. The best way to learn AWS is to start with AWS Global Infrastructure and Core Services, such as EC2, VPC, S3, CloudFront, and RDS. They are the basic building blocks for you to build applications and manage resources, as well as for AWS to build its own services. Understanding core AWS services can help you build a solid foundation. Once you've understood these services, you can begin to dive deep into more advanced AWS technology. Okay, I hope this gives you an overview of AWS. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. If you liked the video, please help us and hit the like button. If you want to watch more tutorials, please subscribe to the Cloudemy TV channel. Make sure to turn on the notification and stay tuned. At Cloudemy, we're passionate about cloud and AI technology. Please share your feedback and thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to let us know what topics you'd like to watch. Happy watching and happy learning.